Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and enabling the radios. Check whether your source and display support Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast. Once done, make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network or enable Wi-Fi Direct for a direct link. Now open the display or projection settings on your source, phone, laptop, or tablet, and start device discovery so the display appears in the list. This immediate start gets the connection handshake going. Next, you'll select the correct protocol and authorize the display. Once you see the display listed, choose the right protocol: AirPlay for Apple, Miracast for many Windows/Android, Chromecast for Chrome ecosystems, and tap Connect. You may need to authorize the connection on the TV or dongle. If a PIN appears, enter it on your source to complete pairing. After pairing, make sure to set resolution and orientation to match the display, often 16:9, and confirm audio routes to the display if you want sound. That completes the core connection and prepares playback. To finalize, start your content and watch for smooth playback. When finished, use the projection or casting menu to disconnect or stop casting. If you encounter lag or stutter, reduce resolution or move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to lower latency, and make sure background apps aren't saturating bandwidth. If it still fails to connect, restart both devices, update display drivers or firmware, and temporarily disable firewall or VPN. This one tip often resolves discovery or authorization blocks and gets you back on screen quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.